Can XRP really hit prices like $10, $100, $1,000 or even higher? From the point of recording this video, XRP, as you can see, is priced at 205. If you really understand what you're holding at the moment, then you understand that XRP is not a $2 and change cryptocurrency. This coin is designed to go way higher, but it's absolutely essential to manage your expectations and to plan your strategy accordingly. So in this video, I will share with you what I believe that XRP will be worth in 2025. I will show you everything that you need to know from a technical point of view and also from a fundamental point of view. So without any further ado, give this video a like, make sure to drop an X in the comments because it really helps to spread this video out to as many people as we can on YouTube. With that being said, let's jump into the content. So first, let's address the two major factors driving XRP's potential price, and that is of course speculation and utility. So far the crypto market has been entirely speculative. Prices rise and fall based on hype, fear and greed. XRP has been no different. However, XRP holds something unique that sets it apart, and that is its real world utility. As you might know, XRP is designed to make cross-border payments a lot more efficient by making them cheaper and faster. Institutions and banks worldwide are already using the XRP ledger for on-demand liquidity, and it's just a matter of time before we see mass adoption. It's also important that you understand that we're currently still in a speculative market. True utility hasn't really kicked in on a global scale yet, so that makes it hard to come up with specific price predictions for XRP. However, in this video, I will do my best to come up with a minimum price in 2025. I will also give you a realistic scenario and a bull case scenario. And do note that my predictions are based upon a combination between utility, the length of the bull run cycle, and the technicals. So the first chart that I want to show you here is actually this one. This is the XRP monthly scale. So each candlestick that you see in this chart represents 1 month. And you can see that this is the third bull run from XRP. The first one was actually in 2017 to 2018. And as you can see on the left side, that lasted for a year, approximately 365 days. Then we had the second bull run from March 2020 to April 2021 for XRP. The price failed to set a new all-time high, but that bull run, the previous bull run, lasted for approximately 396 days. As you can see in the current bull run, of course, a little bit of subjective how you draw this red box. You can also extend the line a little bit to the left, and you could arguably say that the bull run started earlier for XRP. But if we just focus on big bullish engulfing monthly candles, then we are currently just in the second month of this bull run for XRP. And according to history, we should at least expect 10 more months of bullish price action for XRP. Of course, not in a straight line. We will also have sideways periods, just like we saw in 2017. You can see that over here, the price went up significantly for a few months, but eventually we had a pause and the price went sideways, slightly to the downside in a correction before the last parabolic move to the upside. And I do believe that right now something similar could happen for XRP. We might have a few more months to the upside, then maybe a pause, sideways price action, and then another parabolic move to the upside. So I'm showing you this chart so that you know that we still have a lot of time left within the cycle. So it's important that you not get shaken out right now by these minor pullbacks or sideways periods. Just focus on the future, zoom out, and you can see that we still have a lot of time left. And since November of the year, altcoins have shown a lot of gains, but I believe that the true altcoin season hasn't started yet. Historically, major altcoin rallies occur mid-cycle, often after Bitcoin peaks in dominance. And so far, Bitcoin peaked at 61% in the dominance and is currently hovering below 60%. So it will be interesting to see if we will get follow through to the downside for the dominance in the coming weeks. In the previous bull run, January 2021 marked the real beginning of altcoin season, and during these phases we see explosive growth across altcoins with massive gains and little to no pullbacks. As you can see right now in the altcoin season index, we are at 47, so we are nowhere near to alt season. reason, but I believe that this is the best time to get into positions and to hold strong and to not get shaken out. I believe that Q1 of 2025 could be extremely bullish for altcoins. Also guys, from a fundamental point of view, XRP is doing really great. We can see here the XRP ledger activity with active addresses, and this one just from 8,500 active addresses in July of 2024 to over 47,000 active addresses as of today. So yeah, the XRP ledger activity is really exploding, and this could be a precursor in what we're about to see in XRP's price. So in terms of the actual price targets that I'm looking out for 2025 for XRP, and guys, there's a lot of speculation. I mean, no one at the end of the day knows the exact price target or range for XRP, but we can come up with some numbers here according to the technicals. Before I do that, by the way, if you want to purchase or trade XRP, then use my referral link down below to Weeks, because Weeks offers exclusive deposit bonuses of up to $20,000 for my community exclusively. Make sure that you use my link below. KYC is not required. It's definitely worth it. But going back to XRP, this is a chart comparison that I made, and the setup for XRP currently mirrors what happened for Ethereum in 2016. You can see that it looks fairly similar, this price action. Ethereum back in 2016 was priced at $3. No one expected Ethereum to go over $3,000 in a short amount of time. And right now XRP is priced slightly above $2. Are we about to see a similar run once again? I'm not saying that XRP is going to go to $3,000 or so, although it could happen, but this is just to show you in perspective where XRP currently stands at if you zoom out, and it looks fairly similar to Ethereum's price action. And I do think that XRP is definitely going to be priced into the double digits in 2025. How high is it exactly going to go? That is hard to say, but according to this technical pattern, this double bottom or W breakout on the monthly scale for XRP is currently confirmed. If the monthly candle of December closes above, I would say $1.96, somewhere in that vicinity, then we have a confirmed breakout here on the monthly scale. The technical target of this formation is $35 approximately. I'm not saying that XRP is definitely going to go to $35. It is always good to have some sort of an exit strategy, an exit plan, and always best to lock in your profits on the way up. So take these targets with a grain of salt, of course. Always do your further research, but according to this double bottom formation, yes, $35 could be in play for XRP, and it wouldn't surprise me at all. I mean, there is so much utility, there is so much adoption going on, so much major partnerships for XRP. So yeah, this wouldn't surprise me, but let me know in the comments what you think. Do you think that $30 plus is possible for XRP somewhere by the end of 2025? I'm very curious what you guys think. And the next chart that I want to show you here is a comparison between XRP's price action in 2017 on the left side and XRP's current breakout on the right side here in 2024. And as you can see, the price action looks extremely similar. If you focus on the left side, then you can see that XRP broke beyond that massive trend line which held the price back since 2014. Eventually we had the breakout, and if you focus on the current price action, then you can see that it looks fairly similar. We had this trend line, this downward sloping trend line. XRP broke beyond it, and we are currently seeing that continuation to the upside. Yes, there is a little pause going on here, but this shouldn't shake you out. You should focus on the future. Zoom out, guys. There is still a lot to come here. We are just at the early stages of the breakout as we have seen in 2017. So to come up with a price prediction, there are three realistic scenarios for what XRP could be worth in 2025. So my first scenario, and that seems like the most realistic case for me, is that XRP reaches between $20 and $30 somewhere by the end of 2025. As I said, this seems like the most realistic case if you consider the technicals, the time frames which I just showed you, and the current adoption levels. Of course, I could be completely wrong, but a lot of technical patterns and a lot of things are currently pointing to this price range, and it seems like my realistic scenario. Then there is also another case where XRP reaches between $30 and $50, but for this to come true, we need to see increased institutional and retail adoption, a lot more than we're seeing today. combined with favorable regulatory clarity, this can also help. So it's very hard to say, but it could happen. I would personally never sell my entire XRP back. I would always hold some just in case, just have a moon back in place, guys. Of course, not financial advice, but you never know. So it's very important that you come up with an exit strategy, that we pay ourselves, that we take some profits on the way up, but who knows, maybe XRP goes to $50. So my most optimistic scenario is that XRP reaches between $50 and $100 at the end of this cycle. And as I said, this is the most optimistic scenario. This scenario assumes widespread adoption of XRP for cross-border payments and on-demand liquidity, coupled with a strong and longer lasting bull market. So for this to come true, guys, we need to see a much longer bull and extended bull cycle. I'm not sure whether this is going to happen. Let me know in the comments what you think, of course. But whether we see $20 XRP or $100 in 2025, this depends, as I said, on a combination of a lot of things. But as investors, it's essential to be prepared for either scenario. And once again, if you want to purchase or trade XRP or any other altcoin, then make use of my week's referral link in the description of this video to claim deposit bonuses of up to $20,000. Once again, KYC is not required, so you can access weeks from anywhere in the world, even from the United States. It's very easy to use. They have high liquidity. The trading fees are extremely low. And to sign up on weeks, you just need an email address, a password, and you're literally good to go within 60 seconds. But once again, be sure to use my link down below in the description if you want to claim all of these benefits. I want to thank you all for watching, for the amazing support. Of course, give me a like on the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Drop that X in the comments if you're holding XRP. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.